Managing cold, warm, and hot leads without confusion can be a game changer for your business. If you're struggling with keeping these leads organized and making sure nothing slips through the cracks, you're in the right place. This quick 3-minute tutorial will show you exactly how to handle each lead type effectively so you can turn them into paying customers. First, let's talk about cold leads. These are people who might have shown interest at some point, but they haven't engaged with your business in a while. The key here is to nurture them with automated follow-ups. You want to stay on their radar without being pushy. A good strategy is sending them helpful content or offering something valuable, like a free guide or exclusive access to a trial. The goal is to gently warm them up over time, so when they're ready to buy, you'll be top of mind. Next, we have warm leads. These are the folks who've shown interest and engaged with your content or emails recently. They've given you some positive signals, so you can start moving them closer to a sale. At this stage, it's about providing them with more tailored content or a limited time offer to push them along in the buying journey. You want to build on their existing interest and keep the conversation going. Don't overwhelm them, but be sure to ask if they have any questions or if they're ready to take the next step. Now, let's talk about hot leads. These leads are the ones most likely to buy right now. They've shown strong intent, whether through a demo request, a deep interaction with your offer, or a follow-up question. These leads require quick follow-up and personalized outreach. It's crucial to address their needs immediately, whether that's offering a discount, scheduling a consultation, or simply closing the deal. The key here is speed and focus. You need to show them that you're ready to deliver exactly what they need, right when they need it. So how do we manage all these leads without confusion? The secret is using the right software. I've tested some of the most popular options out there, but the software we'll be using today stands out for its simplicity and efficiency. It allows you to organize your cold, warm, and hot leads all in one place and track each one's journey so you don't have to waste time sorting through scattered information. Plus, you can set up automated follow-ups so you're always in touch without lifting a finger. I've got an exclusive free trial link for this software in the description below, just for viewers of my channel. You'll be able to follow along with this tutorial and start managing your leads like a pro. Here's the key takeaway. Effectively managing cold, warm, and hot leads is all about creating tailored approaches for each group, using the right tools to stay organized and ensuring timely follow-up. Cold leads need nurturing, warm leads need personalized engagement, and hot leads need immediate action. Don't overcomplicate it. Stay organized, stay consistent, and use software to keep it all running smoothly. To recap, keep your cold leads nurtured with helpful content, engage with your warm leads through personalized offers, and close fast with your hot leads. And remember, to make it easier, take advantage of the free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.